Someone is trying to screw me over on my real estate deal. Does this officially mean I'm in the game? I'm in real estate investing? Because my deals are so good, people are trying to come behind my back and steal my deals? In today's video, we're going to talk about how someone is going behind my back to steal a deal that I currently have under contract. I'm Biz Matthew. Welcome to my YouTube page. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Now, I currently have a property under contract, and I put it under contract at $125,000. I told a realtor who also invests around the area about the property when I first put it under contract earlier this month. However, they weren't interested. About a few days ago, I say Thursday of this past week, probably the 26th, I panicked because I couldn't find a buyer. I think I probably got it under contract for a little bit higher than what most investors will pay for the property because the property needs a ton of work. And so I reached out to this realtor again, and I guess they saw my desperateness or whatnot, and they went directly to the seller and their real estate agents to make an agreement with them without coming to me, which, I already have a binding agreement with the seller. So anyways, I found out about this. The seller called me saying, blah, 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 because I tried to extend the contract. They were like, hey, we're not going to extend it. Are you really, this sounds sketchy what you're doing. I thought you're going to buy my house. And stuff like that. And I was just completely honest. I said, hey, I'm not buying your house. I bring investors money to buy your house. And I just told him, hey, maybe I wasn't 100% clear what I was doing and totally upfront with you. But yeah, usually when I buy houses, I bring other people's money into it. And they understood that and whatnot. But, these realtors, I found out through other investors that, they would go behind people's back and try to steal their deals. And the thing I'm concerned about is I don't want them to spread a bad name, put a bad reputation on my name. You know what I mean? And basically they're they're saying, oh, it's a sketch. His contract is not even binding because I made a mistake. I put the wrong county, but it's already at the title company, and that's already good. And I'm glad that I at least have one deal under my belt with a good buyer and a good title company, so they can always vouch for me. And I reached out to another agent, realtor, but he was polite. He went directly to me saying, hey, I can help you sell this house. So you can have your contract and I will have my contract with her. But he went directly to me and communicated that with me. I was like, hey, that's fine. Let's do it. I just want to help the seller sell her home, right? But this other, realtor, they went behind my back. And so the other realtor who went to me directly wanted to have a contract with the seller, but the seller canceled because this other realtor just putting so much things in the seller's name mind, saying, oh, he's corrupt, don't sign with another realtor. And the thing is, with this realtor, they did work with the seller before, but they weren't able to sell her house. They didn't even have a contract with them. They gave up on her house, and they didn't really care. They just wanted that power move, it feels like. But it's part of the game. It's highs and lows of this game, and I just want you all to understand that. When you go on with any venture that you're in, that there will be lows, there will be corrupt people trying to steal from you. And you just have to have the abundance mindset that there are always deals out there and that you can always make money, right? Don't be afraid of competition. Some are healthy and some are negative, and it's just part of the game. You have to move on. Don't take it personally. And even there are people like that, but the majority of people are not. That's what I noticed. But yeah, I'm just gonna move on and keep on working on it still. If I can find a buyer before the date, good. If I can't, well, my contract ends. But I have another property under contract, looking to find a buyer soon, and then hopefully sell that, get an assignment fee, small assignment fee for that one. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know I'm kind of more in a chill environment. This is actually my bedroom, but yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. Subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. All right, peace.